This is how it looks like when wearing this uh, wearing this polarized eyeglass. So let's try. With glasses, without glasses, with glasses, without glasses. So as you can see, with glasses, the UV protected your eyes compared to no glasses. So Rock Bros Rock Bros with lens. And let's see if it is direct to the sunlight.